Hi, I'm Kate, and today I'm going to show you how to make two simple sewing projects. The first is a stuffed animal. First, you're going to need to cut out these simple shapes that are shown here. Thread your needle and tie off the ends and sew on the eyes and the mouth. Once you're done, tie a knot and cut off the excess string. Now thread another needle with the color of your choice. And sew around the border of the front colored piece. Make sure you don't go all the way around the stuffy because you're going to need room to put in the stuffing. Now leave a little gap and fill it with stuffing. Finally, finish sewing it closed and tie off the end. There are so many really fun ways you can change this project up, and I'm showing you two of them right here. Next up, I'm going to show you how to make a secret message pillow. First, use your fabric to cut out 2 large squares and 1 little square. Now you can either sew the 2 large squares together, or you can sew the little square onto one of the large squares. I chose to sew the 2 large squares together first, so that's what I'll be showing you. Now for step 3, stuff your pillow with the stuffing in the box, and finish sewing it closed. Lastly, sew the pocket on, but make sure you only attach it to one of the large squares. That's the end! Thanks for watching and have fun sewing! For the pillows, it's really fun if you put little notes in to your family members or friends.